Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to implement a simple affiliation logic in a Flask web app. If you love Flask like I do, and if you have created a Flask web app, like for instance the AI jingle maker that I created a few months ago, you might want to implement an affiliation logic inside of your app. So the purpose of today's tutorial is to show you how to do it very easily using Flask and also using JavaScript. This will be a very basic demo. We won't talk about all the details about the payment flow, but you will see that very quickly using our best friend ChatGPT, we will be able to implement and demo this affiliation logic. Let's first explain what is affiliation. So this is the address bar of your browser, and let's say that we have a website called mysite.com, and we have an affiliate whom we invited to promote the website. We gave to this affiliate a special URL with this structure /ref or /reference. It could be /affiliate, /aff, aff, /invite, whatever. And the end of the URL is an extension like XYZ123. It could also be ABC568, for instance, or whatever. It is just an extension which is linked to the affiliate, and it enables us to track the visits to our website, mysite.com. So we have visitors using this URL, and in their browser, so in the browser of the visitors, when they visit the website, we will set a cookie. So this is what we will do, set a cookie, and the cookie can be as simple as the identifier. So the cookie could be XYZ123, for instance. Usually there will be a key before the cookie. So usually what we will have, let me just remove this, is a structure like this. Affiliate ID, affiliate ID, underscore ID, for instance. And then column, and then we have XYZ123. So we set this cookie, and then when one of those visitors click on a button like pay for payment, we will check if there is a cookie in their browser. We will check if we find a cookie like this one, XYZ123, and if there is a cookie, along with the other data, the amount, the product type, etc., we will send the cookie to the payment processor, so for instance Stripe. And when Stripe returns the confirmation of the payment, they will also return in a structured format inside the metadata this affiliate ID, which will then enable us to attribute the sale to the affiliate who originated the sale, and this affiliate will get a commission, a cut on the sale. So that's basically the principle of affiliation. We give a tracking code, a tracking URL to each affiliate. They share this URL. When a visitor visits the website, we set a cookie which corresponds to this tracking ID, and then we pass this cookie to the payment processor, and when we get the confirmation back from the server, then we can attribute the sale to the affiliate and they can get their commission. So how do you implement this logic inside of Flask? Let's go to ChatGPT. I've prepared the conversation. We will just review the answers and also review the code together. So let's minimize my video because we will need Visual Studio to demo the code. So this is the basic prompt. Please give me the boilerplate code for a Flask web app, which enables me to track visits to my website and attribute them to affiliates. The code should set a cookie in the browser of the visitor. Then, if the visitor makes a payment, the code will check for the presence of a cookie. I want you to give me the full demo, and bear in mind that I want to use the /ref/affiliate ID structure to track the visits. Very quickly, ChatGPT gave me some Flask code that we have here and that I have pasted in my code editor. and also some basic HTML for the page, where we have here a button for the payment. But then I just noticed that there was no pop-up to confirm that the sale had been processed and that the affiliate ID had been correctly retrieved from the cookies. So I asked for some additional code, and ChatGPT very kindly gave me the adapted code, which includes an alert for the confirmation and also for the error if there is an error. So let's review the code and run the code straight from the editor. So we have here the code in Flask. So I will just review the code so that you understand what you see on the screen. You have the imports for all the libraries that we use. We just used Flask in this demo. And then you have the route for the tracking itself. So this is the route which will track the URL structured as /ref/affiliate ID. And as you can see here, we set a cookie here in the parentheses, affiliate ID, with the affiliate ID, which corresponds to what we have at the end of the URL. It could be something else. So we could have some server-side logic to search for the end of the slug in a database and see to which affiliate this corresponds, and use then the affiliate ID, which could be something even more simpler. It could be just a number like 5 if it's the affiliate number 5 in the database. But to make it simple today, we have just used the same extension as what we have in the slug, in the URL. So the affiliate ID in the URL will be what we will see in the cookie. Then we have a very simple route for the API for the payment. So as I told you, there is no logic for the payment in this simple demo, but we will just confirm that the payment was processed and that the sale was attributed to the right affiliate based on the affiliate ID retrieved from the cookie. Finally, we have a route for the index page, for the main page. That's where we will find the payment button for the demo. In the index.html file, we just have some JavaScript for the logic to call the payment endpoint. And as you saw maybe in the Python file, we retrieve the cookie from the browser inside of this Python route, of this Flask route. So we also have here in the end the button, the title of the page, and the button for the payment. Let's demo this little app. So we will run the Python file. It's very fast, and as you can see, there is here a server which runs on this URL. So we will open it here in the browser. This is the page where we will have the payment, but at the moment we haven't set any tracking ID. So the first thing that we need to do is basically do what the visitors would do if they receive the URL from the affiliate and they visit the website through this URL. So we will go to ref/xyz123. So this will set a cookie with the reference xyz123. So now if I click on make a payment, maybe I can just reload this page to make sure that everything runs smoothly. So if I click on the make payment button, as you can see, it's attributed to xyz123, to this affiliate. But now if I change my reference, so if I visit this with ABC567, for instance, and I reload the index page, if I click on the payment button, as you can see now, this sale has been attributed to the last cookie which was registered in the browser. It is ABC567. So this is the basic affiliation logic that I wanted to show today, implemented in a Flask web app. The concept is very simple. Once again, we just track the ID in the reference URL, which you have here in the code. Then when the visitor clicks on the payment button, we call this payment endpoint. We check if there is a cookie affiliate ID in the browser, and if there is a cookie, we attribute the sale to the affiliate who has this affiliate ID. I hope that this tutorial was useful. If you want to watch other tutorials like this one, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button. Also, it will help with the YouTube algorithm. And you can join my free newsletter at aicodingclub.com. That's aicodingclub.com. Every week, I'm sharing advice, prompts, code snippets, full code bases also. So just register for free on aicodingclub.com, and I will see you in the next video for another tutorial. Thanks for watching.